Hi and welcome to Lesson 4 of Sales Report Email for WooCommerce. Troubleshooting sales report email issues. If you're not receiving WooCommerce sales report emails, we will walk through the common reasons why this happens and how to fix it. Let's get started. Simply go to WooCommerce, then to Settings, then Emails, then the Sales Report tab. Not receiving sales report emails can have multiple causes. Make sure you have enabled email notifications, and at least one email address is entered into the recipient's field. Check. And also you can check your spam folder to ensure that the message was not filtered. It's not possible to trigger the email by setting the time for later the same day. Wait at least 24 hours before expecting the email. Not receiving the email at the scheduled time, WordPress crons, or crucially, cron tasks play a crucial role in automating emails from the sales report plugin. Inconsistent cron triggers may cause issues stemming from server configuration. Ensure your hosting environment supports WordPress crons. Also, check if the global WordPress settings time zone is properly set. You can find this in the General Settings section of the WordPress dashboard. During periods of high traffic or server load, crons may be delayed or missed. This is especially true in shared hosting environments. Consider optimizing your server resources or exploring managed hosting solutions. That's it. By checking your WooCommerce settings, WordPress cron jobs, and your server environment, you can troubleshoot missing sales report emails. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.